Okay.
Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney, Sydney, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney, Sydney, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney, Sydney.
What's poppin', Slimmafia? It's the one on Slimmbabiii, and I'm back with another freaking banger, you dig? So before we get into this video, you already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and bell, be notified, and don't forget the boy. Tell a friend, 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 tell a friend. Hit that subscribe button. We're on the way to 4K, period. And make sure you share this video with everybody you know. So by the thumbnail on top, you already know we're getting into today. Today we're going to be cleaning my Ashley piercing and my smiley, and we're going to get this face together. So I'm going to show y'all the products before we move to the bathroom, because that's just how I like to do it. So this right here, this is like a green tea exfoliating face scrub. I got this from Marshall's a long time ago. If you watch my face videos before, you know I still got it. Like, a little bit goes a long way. I love this product very much. Highly recommend ordering it if you got like really oily skin like me, because I get real oily around these areas. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be washing my face with. And of course, to clean my smiley, brush your teeth. This is literally all you gotta do. Brush your teeth. That's how I'm gonna clean my smiley. And then mouthwash to clean the inside of my piercing and my smiley too. And this H2O, it's like a, I don't know how to, it's like a solution that you spray on a Q-tip and you clean the outside. I know my lips are real crusty right now because I didn't want to touch it. I didn't want to do nothing until I made this video. So yeah, these are the products that I'm going to be using. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna get it ready. Boom, these are the products I'm going to be using to clean it. So yeah, let's get into it.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this.
So you saw me clean my face, my piercings. I don't know what that is, but yeah, look real good. Scrumdiddlyumptious. I think I said it right. But this is what the piercing looks like on the inside. Outside, my smiley. I just got a new smiley. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna put some Vaseline on my lips because they real crusty, busty, all that. At first I was a little nervous because I just got my piercing on my lip, but it's like once you shake the nerves, just treat yourself normal. You'll be straight. Period. And I really like my piercings a lot. But that's all for this video. For more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, be notified, and hit the what? Tell a friend, 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 tell a friend. Hit that subscribe button because we going up, and away. But anywho, make sure you stay tuned for the next video because I'm gonna do a get ready with me / Q&A because I ain't did one of those in a minute. It's gonna be like a 30 questions with Slim while I get ready. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And comment down below what else you want to see from the kid. If you want more videos on, look at that, pimples everywhere. If you want more videos on my piercings or anything you would like to see from me, put it in the comment section down below and I will get on it like my own rise. Period. Don't play with me. But like this video up, subscribe, tell everybody you know about the one and only Slim Baby. Period. And until the next video, peace.
Didn't know